What is machine learning? Full beginner guide in 2025. Have you ever wondered how YouTube recommends the perfect video for you? Or how Google finishes your sentences before you even type them? That's not magic. That's machine learning, a powerful part of artificial intelligence. In this beginner-friendly video from Fame World Educational Hub, we'll break down what machine learning is, how it works, where it's used in real life, and how you can start your ML journey in 2025, even if you're from a non-coding background. Simple definition. So, what exactly is machine learning? In simple words, machine learning is a way to teach machines how to learn from data, just like humans learn from experience. But instead of learning from mistakes and memory, machines learn from huge amounts of data and mathematical rules called algorithms. The more they learn, the smarter they get. How it works, beginner level. Let's simplify this with a real-life example. Imagine a baby learning to recognize a cat. You show the baby 10 pictures of cats. Eventually, the baby starts identifying them, even new ones. Now replace the baby with a machine. Give it thousands of cat pictures and tell it, this is a cat. The machine will look at patterns, fur, shape, ears, and train itself to recognize cats on its own. That's machine learning. Behind the scenes, it's doing data processing, pattern recognition, and statistical predictions. Types of machine learning. 1. Supervised learning. You train the machine using labeled data, meaning you already know the answers. Example, emails marked as spam or not spam. The machine learns from that and predicts new ones. Unsupervised learning. Here, the data is not labeled. The machine finds hidden patterns on its own. Example, grouping customers based on shopping habits. 3. Reinforcement learning. This is like teaching a dog tricks using rewards and penalties. The machine learns by doing and improving through feedback. Example, self-driving cars learning through trial and error. Where do we use ML daily? You're interacting with machine learning every single day. Netflix suggesting what to watch, Amazon showing you products, Siri or Google Assistant understanding your voice, face recognition, unlocking your phone. Even banks using ML to detect fraud. And now, ML is helping in healthcare, agriculture, space, climate change, everywhere. Do you need to be a coder? Good news. You don't need to be a programmer to start learning ML. Today, there are tools, drag-and-drop platforms, and even AI-assisted code generators. If you know how to think logically, work with data, and stay curious, you're ready to begin. Career Scope Learning Roadmap. Machine learning is one of the hottest career paths in 2025. You can become a ML engineer, data scientist, AI analyst, ML product manager, or even an AI trainer. Here's how you can start. Learn Python basics. Understand statistics data. Try platforms like Google Colab or Teachable Machine. Join free ML courses, Google, Coursera, YouTube. Build small projects, like a movie recommender or spam detector. Machine learning is not the future anymore. It's the present. And it's evolving faster than ever. Now that you understand the basics, imagine what you can build next. Want more videos on real-life ML projects, free AI tools, or career paths? Comment below and let us know. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Fame World Educational Hub, where the future speaks your language.